Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful tools for Forex traders. And the particular indicator that we are going to be discussing in this video is the currency strength meter indicator for MT4. All right, so if you are looking to make smarter trading decisions by understanding which currencies are strong and which are weak, then this indicator could be a valuable addition to your trading toolbox. All right, let us now dive into how it works and how you can use it to improve your trading. So I'm going to be adding the indicator to the chart right now, the currency strength meter indicator. All right, the currency, all right, this is the currency strength meter indicator. Okay, so as you can see, the currency strength meter indicator shows you the strength of individual currencies. All right, it shows you the strength of individual currencies by monitoring their performance against all other currencies. It's visually represented as a color-coded histogram, right? With red, the red shows weak currencies, while the line shows very strong currencies. Okay, so this helps traders easily spot which currencies are bullish or bearish, making it easier to pair the strongest currency against the weakest. All right, so the indicator also displays a numerical value for each currency strength. If you look down here closely, you're going to see some numbers, right? You're going to see some numbers written down here. Okay, so it's actually useful, you know, because it makes it even easier to track how strong or weak a currency is at any given moment. All right, so the indicator works by measuring the performance of one currency against all others. If a currency is gaining strength, it is likely to have a bullish momentum. Okay, conversely, when a currency is losing strength, it indicates bearish momentum. All right, so the indicator displays these strengths right here in the MT4 platform in a histogram with color codes to show the relative strength at any given moment. So you can easily identify which currency pairs to trade by looking for the strongest currency and pairing it with the weakest. Okay, so here's how the colors are broken down. The red color indicates weak currency, all right, while the orange red indicates moderately weak currency. Okay, then the light green represents strong currency, and the lime is very strong currency. Okay, so how can we use this indicator to trade? Let us just break down a couple of strategies. All right, so for a buy strategy, if you see a lime or light green currency gaining strength, you can pair it with a red or orange red currency and consider entering a long position. Okay, the strong currency is likely to continue its upward momentum and the weak currency might keep declining. So in that case, when you pair both of them together and then you enter a long position with the strong currency as the base currency and the weak currency as the quote currency, you would have a chance of, making a profit from that long trade. All right, so long as the bullish momentum remains for the base currency and the bearish momentum remains for the weak currency. So now, for a sell strategy, when you see a red or orange red currency losing strength, you can pair it with a light green or lime currency and enter a short position. So this way, you are capitalizing on the weak currency's downward movement and the strong currency's upward push. So the reverse is the case for a sell, right? When you want to enter a sell trade, just ensure that you get the strongest possible currency at the time and the weakest possible currency at the time. Pair them together, and then you enter a position that is supporting the prevailing momentum faced by those currencies at that time. All right. Now this indicator works well across all time frames. Okay, so whether you are day trading or looking for longer term setups, you can use the multi-time frame approach to spot trends. Okay, you can actually go to higher time frames. You can go to higher time frames to get the big picture. Then you use lower time frames for more precise entry and exit points. Okay, so the currency strength meter indicator is quite an amazing tool for both beginner and advanced traders. Okay, because it allows you to easily spot strong and weak currencies, helping you pair them together for maximum potential. All right, whether you are using it for intraday trades or long-term positions, this indicator is designed to give you a clear and simple way to stay ahead of the market trends. All right, so let's just say here we have, seems like it's the NZD that is giving strong signal and USD weak signal. Let's look at how the NZD USD looks like at the time. Let's quickly go to the NZD USD chart. All right, so considering the strength of the NZD USD and the weakness of the the strength of the NZD and the weakness of the USD, you can be looking for buy opportunities on the NZD USD, and just ensure that you pay attention to market structure because it is very important. So when you get confirmations given the prevailing strength of the NZD and the prevailing weakness of the USD, you can get good buying opportunities, and then you enter a buy trade. Once you get your confirmation, you can add other indicators as well to get confirmations, and then you set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and then you can target resistance zones for your take profit. So this is just a very quick example. All right, so do not forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and strategies. Also turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.